My name is Abdulrahman Al-Laythi. I am from Egypt. I just came here to Mondragon University in Spain to just have a new whole experience with international students, and it was like, I thought it was like a really great experience to know different people from different culture and also know about the culture of the Basque country.
I'm from Turkey and I'm studying industrial design in my home country, but here I'm studying industrial design engineering, and I'm here for the experience and the practical education.
Hola, me llamo Suetone, soy de Brasil, estudio ingeniería informática y vivo aquí en Arrasate. Es muy diferente, aquí es como muy práctico, así que es otro mundo, es maravilloso para mí.